I'm eating some dinner. This is my attempt at like that TikTok tortilla fold thing. So I wanted to do a night routine tonight, and I thought that'd be super fun to film because I'm back at school. This is my second day back in class. Ooh. So I just wanted to show you guys what my night's like when I'm back at school. And I'm so exhausted. I'm literally so drained. So I'm going to finish eating this dinner and I will get back to you guys when I start the rest of my night routine. So see you then. Okay, so I'm just going to show you guys what my room looks like after a long day of studying. So every night I like to pick up my space. So I wake up to a nice clean room. So here is what it looks like. It needs cleaned so bad, like really bad. And just really quick, because it really bothers me when there's dust on my mirrors and on my ginormous windows, I'm just showing you guys this brand of spray. I don't really spray away, world's best glass cleaner, bomb.com. I'm going to clean my mirror real quick, and I already did the majority of my window, but my windows are just so huge, so it's like impossible to clean them all the way. But yeah, so I changed into my favorite shirt ever, my moose track shirt, and excuse me ring light. Watching Legally Blonde, we love to see it. And I think I'm going to start doing my skincare routine because I feel like just a grease glazed donut. So we're gonna go do that. Here is what I'm using for my skincare. So this is literally the best face cream, wash, whatever, ever. It's CeraVe Hydrating Cream to Foam Cleanser, and this is specifically for removing makeup. I always double cleanse with that. I have my Curology, not sponsored. And then I use this thing, does something like that. Use that, you guys will see how I do that. And then I have my e.l.f. Holy Hydration Face Cream because I saw Hiram talk about that. And then I always take all my makeup off with my micellar water and cotton pads. So we're gonna get into it. I actually went and got my ring light and brought it into the bathroom because it's really helping my face right now, because before it was just like not working. First things first, honey, you already know, micellar water. So first thing I always do is get my paper towel ready because I get water everywhere, literally everywhere.
Ryan Little.
Okay, so that is the first, oh, it's in my eyeball. Oof. So that is the first cleanse. So with a little bit of water still on my face, I'm going to damp my Spa Science, and then I'm going to put some products of the CeraVe right on there. Get some water on there, and I just kind of wiggle it back and forth on my hand to get it like really foaming again. Once I kind of got that back on my face, I'm just going to turn on the Spa Science, hold a towel, and just let it do its thing. Okay, so once I just made a literal mess and got it all over me and water all over the place, I'm now just going to put my Curology on, and then we'll head back in my room. So it's always recommended when you're using Curology that you like let your actual treatment set in for a second. Oh my gosh, it makes my face so dry feeling, but that's just because of some of the ingredients. So when I get my moisturizer on, it literally just feels so good. And yes, my skin is very red right now. I am like battling a little bit of rosacea, I think is what it's called. I just have that. My skin's also like sensitive like to the touch of things, so like it looks very irritated right now, but in like 10 minutes it'll look fine and normal. But my face gets very easily hot and like cold and sensitive to temperatures. So anytime I'm like, my face doesn't like sweat, but it gets beet red. Like I was that kid in gym class who had like a tomato face. The rest of my routine honestly is just what I do to maintain my eyelashes, and I do want to show you guys that because I do this every night before bed. I have my little makeup, my little makeup mirror here, and I'm gonna show you guys what I do to maintain my eyelashes. So this might sound weird, but I do curl them before bed. It sounds weird, but it helps me get up on the lash line with the serum that I use. Okay, so I'm gonna curl them. Again, I know that's really weird, probably not normal to do before bed, but it's just what I do, and I'll show you why. So the girls are curled, as you can see. They're pretty long. I don't really curl them evenly because like it doesn't matter. Ooh. Ah. Okay, so I have this larger spoolie. Okay, so I comb them out, and this probably does have a little bit of leftover castor oil in them, but if that's the case, so be it. But this is the product that I use that has absolutely made my eyelashes gigantic. So it is the Revital Lash. I think this is the advanced one. There's a normal eyelash conditioner and then an advanced eyelash conditioner, and this is the advanced one. I think it's like a $20 difference. It is expensive. I believe I got this for $135, but I use Afterpay, so I can make payments after I purchase it, so I don't really have to pay $130. But I basically just put this all on my lash line, as well as all over the rest of the lashes. So I have them on this side, and then
Ryan Little.
and I let that dry. Normally I'd have my contacts out by now, but I want to be able to see for you guys and make sure I'm like, and then I will comb them through with my castor oil. I will link everything down below. So when I get the castor oil, what I do is I kind of just open this up and do a little dab like this, and it's on the spoolie for me. I just do a little yay castor oil there and a little bit here. You can even put this on your eyebrows, so if you please. But I don't, because I don't really need the castor oil on my eyebrows. But that is what I do for my lashes before bed, and I think it helps so much. I mean, you guys are looking at it. Like, you tell me, do you think my eyelashes look long? Because I think they do. Also, the Revital Lash is not what makes my eyes bloodshot. I promise. That's literally because I got my face wash in my eyebrows like 2 seconds ago, filming for you guys. So I apologize for that. Honestly, if you guys want me to do how I've brought my eyelashes back from always having eyelash extensions, kind of like a recovery video, I will absolutely do that for you guys, because I think I have some good tips. I've done some research, tried some different products to really get my eyelashes to where I have them. So I will do that for you guys. Just let me know. I am going to do a little bit of editing now, so I'll probably end this vlog off in a few seconds, but I'll see you guys when I start editing. Okay guys, I'm just going to write some little emails here on my laptop, and I'm going to call it a night. It is actually only 8, but I honestly am probably just gonna lay in bed and relax until I go to sleep, because it's just really been one of those days. So I will definitely see you guys in my next video. And also, I just want to tell you, if you've watched all the way through, thank you. It was really hard for me, honestly, to do a night routine, because I am not a very insecure person. I'm a very confident person in myself and in my like traits, but I just have been struggling with my skincare journey lately, and so taking my makeup off and filming that whole process was a struggle. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, and it's gonna be hard when I edit, but I'm gonna put it out there for you guys because you know what? I finally have above 600 subscribers. I really feel like I have a good little subbie fan base here, and I just really want to be my best and most authentic self for you guys. So if you have stayed till the end of this video, make sure you are subscribed and part of the Honey Bun fam, and also make sure to leave a comment. I will see you guys next time. Stay healthy, stay happy, have a good semester if you're in school, but if not, have a good whatever you do. Bye.